Pleasure to present to you Miss Beth Burns, Northern California Demolay Association Sweetheart-elect.
Miss Burns, you have been elected to the distinguished office of Sweetheart of the Northern California Demolay Association. It will be your duty to provide leadership and training to the Sweethearts of Northern California. You are also to act as a liaison, you are also to act as a lead female youth representative of Northern California, both within and without the jurisdiction. The example you set will be one worthy of emulation by all young ladies with whom you come in contact. Therefore, you must strive to perform your duties with the utmost respect, honor, and dignity to ensure the Sweetheart Program of Northern California Demolay retains the high quality standards of image it has earned over the years. You will work closely with the Master Counselor and the other jurisdictional officers, not only in planning, but executing the jurisdictional programs. I wish you all the success you deserve in your new position for the ensuing term. But you should always remember that through hard work, dedication, and teamwork will there be success. At this time, will all past Sweethearts of Northern California Demolay Association please meet me west of the altar. This crown is a symbol of your office. May it always remind you of the responsibility and dignity that is entrusted in you. As I place this banner upon you, you will rise Northern California Demolay Association Sweetheart.